Now let's marinate this beef stew. How so? Vinegar, remember we spoke about acid, we spoke about oil that is a binder. The acid penetrates the meat and it makes it moist, and then the spice that is going to give flavor. 3 ingredients. If you want to go wild, you can add the other things. Most of you are cooking, but few of you are focusing on executing flavor. Sawubona. Chef Makamo lona. Maybe on today's lessons, let's focus more on the style and the technique of cooking that probably affects your flavor in the food that you are cooking. It is very important that you marinate your meat because that changes everything. Marinate your meat, let it set in the fridge for at least 30 to 3 hours. Now there you have it, your marinated beef for beef stew, for Hungarian stew, Hungarian goulash. This needs to be properly seared and then cooked to perfection. Now, this is the step you don't want to miss. The browning stage, the searing stage, the sealing stage, whereby you trap all the juices inside the meat. But remember not to overcrowd your pan while you are doing it. Remember that you don't cook at once, but you cook in stages. As you are cooking meat at this process, this is where now you are actually giving flavor to your meat. In this process, add a quarter or half of the spices that you're still gonna use when you are simmering. Don't use all of them at once. This is really gonna give flavor to the meat. That now when you're frying your onions and you're adding all these other things, your meat already has flavor. Marinated meat cooks quicker. Meat that is not marinated takes longer to cook. The more you cook meat that is not marinated, you're going to be prompted to add or to keep on adding water. The more you add water, the more you are diluting the spices that you've already added. Now what that does is that it weakens your flavor in your meat. Now that is going to require you to add more spices at wrong stages. That's why you find your food either being overspiced or underspiced. Whereas when you started, you added things correctly, but because you keep on adding water, you are disrupting the whole spices that is already in that meat. I would really like to apologize because at this point I was too tired, I couldn't make videos. But this is the step where now you would add your onions, your garlic, you would add your tomato paste if you want, you would add all those things, and then you would add your meat and add hot water and let it simmer. That's when now you see the stew like this. During simmering, this is when now you can adjust your stock and also adjust your herbs and add more herbs to give more flavor to your food. I had leftover roast veg, that's what I used. If you don't have any veggies that are cooked, you can either steam them a bit or you can just put them raw during simmering so that they can gel in and combine with the rest of the stew. This is when now you can adjust, you can add peppers, you can add salt, not spices. You can also add some fresh herbs if you want, and then close your pot, you are done cooking. Chef Makamo lona. Siyabonga.